What finally convinced me to get Invisalign and move forward with the teeth straightening was I took a look at the photos from when I got engaged, and I looked so happy, but I kept looking at my smile and kind of being disappointed in the way my teeth looked, and I didn't want to look back on my wedding and see photos like that. Invisalign fit in very well with my wedding planning. It was the least of my worries. I had once every 2 months a quick appointment to pick up the new aligners, and it really wasn't a big deal at all. It was actually exciting to change out the aligners. I felt like I was getting closer to my wedding date and making progress on something. My new smile makes me feel extremely confident. I literally can't stop looking in mirrors and taking selfies on my iPhone. My dad literally on Thanksgiving said, "You're obsessed with your teeth." So I think I feel really, really good. I would highly recommend Invisalign to my friends and family, and I would tell them how quickly you'll see results and how beautiful and amazing you'll feel after you finish your treatment.